Alright traders, today is May 3rd, FOMC day, and what I want to show you is how to cut your losing trades out of the equation as fast as possible. So what you're seeing here is a new setting called the maximum bars in a loss, and it does exactly what it's intended to do. Is how many candles do you want to stay in a losing trade? So that's what I'm going to show you here today in this video. Now before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. There are risks involved with any type of trading that you're doing. So first and foremost, be careful when trading during news events, because during news events anything could happen, especially if you're manually trading. With using something like the AutoPilot, it does place the entries and the stops, and as well as the trailing stops. You can see the trailing stop here to the short side for you. That's almost impossible to do when you're manually trading. So if you're using something like the Trade Scalper or the Atlas line, you can't do this during high volatility. You can do it when the market's slow or normal, but you can't do it when the market is trading with strong moves. And so this does it for you automatically. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is I'm actually waiting for a loss to show you that cutting a losing trade off as fast as possible is important. So you can see the trailing stop. It's protecting the trade once it goes in your favor. But really, if you're in a trade and it's going against you, we have what's called a time-based stop. It's very similar when you think about it with the AutoPilot. Just like that, what you just saw right there is 2 bars in a row. I switched the setting to 2 bars. The market went 2 bars against me, and immediately it closes the position. So this is something that I think is a benefit that you could use with the AutoPilot system as part of the trade management. We don't want to hold on to a losing trade. We want to get rid of it as fast as possible. So anywhere between 2 and 5 candles is a good way to cut the trade loose. Obviously, we're not going to be and hold on to something that's going against us. That happens to be a break-even trade. So the market started to go in our favor, went to break even, and then came back. So it's a break even trade, entering and exiting at the same price. Now if you're interested in the AutoPilot trading system, visit DayTradeToWin.com, get the latest version of the AutoPilot, and email us if you have any questions. Until next time, good trading. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and we work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.